Why pilots must manually calculate weight distribution after a cargo securing system fails. When we think about aviation safety, most people focus on engines, weather, or pilot skills, but one of the most critical factors in flight safety is something passengers rarely notice: weight distribution inside the aircraft. If a cargo securing system fails, pilots must quickly calculate how the aircraft's balance has changed. This is not just a technical detail, it can directly affect the plane's ability to fly safely. Why weight distribution matters. Every aircraft is designed to carry weight in a carefully balanced way. This balance is called the center of gravity, or CG. It determines how stable the airplane is during takeoff, flight, and landing. If cargo shifts too far forward, the aircraft may become nose-heavy, making it harder to lift off or control during landing. If cargo moves too far backward, the plane can become tail-heavy, which is even more dangerous because it may cause instability or loss of control. That's why cargo must be properly secured before every flight. What happens when the securing system fails? Cargo is held in place using locks, nets, straps, and restraint systems. If one of these systems fails due to turbulence, improper loading, or mechanical problems, the cargo may move during flight. Even a small shift in heavy cargo can significantly change the aircraft's center of gravity. Pilots must immediately assess the risk because the aircraft may no longer respond normally. In serious cases, this can affect climb performance, fuel efficiency, and landing safety. Why pilots calculate it manually? Although modern aircraft have advanced systems, they cannot always detect the exact position of shifted cargo. Pilots may receive warnings from crew members, unusual aircraft handling, or loading reports that suggest a problem. At that point, pilots must manually calculate the new weight distribution using flight documents, cargo load sheets, and aircraft performance charts. They estimate where the cargo moved, how much weight shifted, and how it affects the center of gravity. Based on this, they decide whether to continue the flight, change altitude, reduce speed, or make an emergency landing. Safety comes first. These calculations are critical because incorrect balance can make landing extremely risky. Pilots may also coordinate with dispatchers and ground engineers to confirm the safest action. In aviation, even small numbers matter. A few centimeters of cargo movement can create major consequences at 35,000 feet. So, why must pilots manually calculate weight distribution after a cargo securing system fails? Because the balance of an aircraft is directly linked to safety. When cargo shifts, pilots need fast and accurate decisions to keep the aircraft stable and passengers safe. It's another reminder that flying safely depends not only on powerful engines, but also on precision, preparation, and quick thinking. Next time you board a flight, remember that safety goes far beyond the cockpit controls. Even the position of cargo in the aircraft plays a major role in every successful journey. Stay tuned for more fascinating aviation insights.